I can own a piece of land on an island for this little bit of money and actually buy a block. We're not buying something that's already been built up. We're developing ourselves. We're young black men we ain't young.
I'm young.
Okay. So I had been looking around in the Republic, Costa Rica, been all over the place. One of the problems that I was having is I don't speak Spanish. Okay. So it's hard enough trying to read a contract in English, less known in Spanish. And then, a lot of these countries, things are very sketchy. You need a great attorney. One of the benefits was coming from why I came here was everybody speaks English. So I at least can read the contract and then have my attorney back home review it. Also, the guys that I linked up with, they were branded under Remax. And so Remax is a brand that we're used to in the U.S. So, and I tell people that all the time, like, U.S. investors are very skeptical of scams because that's all that's thrown in our face all the time. Scam, scam, scam. They call in your house with all these accents. These guys had the branding of Remax, which was the company that I was familiar with. That gave me an extra layer of confidence to be able to do business. Also, it's very close. I can be home in 2 hours. I can be back in the States. I'm older, I'm an old man, and I got to get back. I can be right to Dallas, Houston, in, quick.